Okay, here I'm going to show you how to copy DAX from the Power BI community or blog or somewhere from the internet or something that somebody has given us. So I'm going to paste some copied DAX code in here, and you'll see that I'm getting the red squiggly underlines because these values do not exist in my data set. So where we want to be referencing the same table, that code should all have the same table name. So what I've done is selected that word for the table, and I'm going to use Control-Shift-L on my keyboard. And what that does is it goes through the DAX code and selects all the instances where that word or that table is referenced. And now I can start typing carefully, and you'll see that as I type, it's replacing the word table everywhere in that DAX measure, and it's giving me a list of my tables in my actual data set. So I can go through and I can choose my table and hit the tab key when I find the right one. Now I just need to go and resolve the column names. And so if there's multiple instances of that column name, again, you could use the Control-Shift-L to select all the instances of that column and repeat the process again until you have converted the code that you copied into a code that works in your data model.